Welcome to Leabharlann de Hindeberg, the Hennebury Library here at Coláiste na Ringe. I'm Dr. Eva Nichonacho, Curator of the Library and a proud past pupil of the College. The library is named in honour of Dr. Leabharlann de Hindeberg. Sin Dr. Leabharlann de Hindeberg Éarlah na Leabharlange. He was born in 1863 in Portlaw to an Irish-speaking family. Dr. de Hindeberg was a priest, scholar and educator, Irish language activist, musician and collector. He was appointed Professor of Celtic Studies in both the Catholic University of America, Washington DC and University College Cork. He was one of the principal founders of Coláiste na Ringe in 1905, bhí sé ar dhuine de Bhunaitheoirí an Coláiste. He bequeathed his considerable collection of books and manuscripts to the Coláiste when he died in 1916. The collection here comprises manuscripts in Irish and books in Irish, English, Latin and Sanskrit. One of the earliest dated manuscripts in the collection is from 1813. Ceantas na láiscríoine is sinne scríoch in Hochtagus a Trídeagaí. Other manuscripts are from the same period and contain sagas, poetry and songs. In addition to Dr. de Hindeberg's collection, we have a wealth of other books and documents presented by generous benefactors over the years. As custodians of these treasures, we are delighted to share them with you. We invite you to contact us with your queries and to make an appointment to visit us and our library here in the heart of Gaeltacht na Naoise. Beag fáilte is fiche roimh.